Okay, so this is going to be a continuous shot to show you guys that I'm actually using exactly the same SIM card on both phones, and on my iPhone 6 it'll work just fine. On the iPhone 7 it'll show those weird signs of failure. So I'm currently okay, so this is the SIM card that I'll be using. It's not the usual SIM card that I use, but rather it's another working SIM card. Just in case, I thought maybe if there is a problem with my own SIM card, I'll just try another one. So this is the SIM card. We've put it in this one, and I'm going to be booting the device in front of you guys. So it was off. With my iPhone 6, I'm not going to be doing that because I've done it like a million times. I've swapped SIM cards without turning off the phone, and apparently it works just fine. So let's just wait. I'm going to be calling the Vodafone Service Center, which is 1555. I have tried this recently. I don't know if they've changed it in Australia, but it doesn't seem to be working. So I'm just going to be putting, if you don't mind, my password. Alright, so one more thing. It keeps searching for the Vodafone bars. Sometimes comes up, sometimes it doesn't. This time, as you can see, it did come up. However, this doesn't change anything because it will simply not call. I'm going to be trying and call. I'm going to be trying to call the service center, as I said earlier. So if the phone was actually working properly, it will simply fail. It'll just say, you know, call failed. But now it just hangs up. So I'm gonna just end the call. I'm gonna try and call my brother. So it just doesn't do anything. Doesn't do anything. I'm just thinking of. Okay, now it is working. However, did you see that? It just rang once, and then nothing, and then it failed, which is really weird. I'm gonna be doing exactly the same thing and calling exactly the same number. Just thinking of a number here. I'm gonna try and call Apple actually, just so that you guys can see me calling the same number on both phones. So 133622. This is Apple 133622. This is Apple Australia.
Welcome, and thank you for calling Apple.
Okay.
Your call.
And then finished, which is really weird.
Purchase one of our products.
It's back.
Please press 1. For technical support, Apple Care Protection Plan inquiry, or cloud, select from the following products. iPhone, press 1. Apple Watch, 2. iPad, 3. Mac, 4. For all others, 5. To return to the previous menu, press 9. To repeat these options, press. If you are a home user, student, or teacher, press 1.
Okay.
For business
I'm going to be
or
hanging up
professionals,
and just
2.
show you that.
To return.
Okay. Just ended the call.
Hash.
I have no idea what's happening, but there's definitely something wrong. I have just updated to 10.0.2, the new software which fixed the audio controller issue, and this is what's happening. Okay, moving on. As I said, this is going to be a continuous shot so that you guys can make sure that I am using the same SIM card on both phones. So this is the same SIM card. I'm going to be putting it in this phone and call Apple again. And show that on this one, the bars will come up straight away. The SIM card is going to be working just fine. So it's currently connected to 3G 133 622. That's Apple.
Welcome.
straight away.
Thank you for calling Apple.
Straight away.
Your call may be recorded. If you are looking to, please select from the following.
I'm going to end the call. It ended properly. Start the call again.
Welcome, and thank you for
No
calling
problems
Apple.
at all.
Your call may.
To
If
show
you are
you that
looking
the
to
software
purchase
is
one of our
up to
products,
date,
please press 1.
I'm just going to
For technical
view
support, Apple
the-
Care Protection Plan inquiry, or to check the status of a
Okay,
product currently in repair.
10.0.2.
For iTunes, iCloud, App Store, print services, or gift card inquiries.
And I'll show you also what version does this iPhone carry, which is 10.0.1. So that's the this phone hasn't been updated to the latest, but it is version number 10. I hope Apple can have some answers for me to resolve this issue, because this is going to be a big headache for me. This phone has everything, and I've already given my other phone to somebody, so I'm going to be needing a phone meanwhile. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this video can help some of you guys.